Hey Travis County, what better time to talk pecans and eat pecans than National Pecan Month? I'm Tamara Schubert, your family consumer science educator for NMSU and Travis County Cooperative Extension, and we're talking pecans all month long. So pecans are one of the staples in New Mexico cuisine and a big commodity here in Travis County. And pecans health-wise are great for us. So they are high in unsaturated fats, which are those good guys, and they have lots of benefits, including they help include our blood cholesterol levels, they ease inflammation, they can help stable our heart rate, and many more things. So they are great for calcium, potassium, magnesium, those things, and part of a very healthy diet. So we're cooking something new. Most of us, when we think pecans, we think sugary things like desserts, pecan pies, things like that. Well, we're gonna have a new recipe for y'all today, and a fun one at that. So we're going to do sweet potatoes and pecans. So in my bowl, I've already mixed the honey and the olive oil, and here's a trick. Use your olive oil first and your honey will come out of your measuring spoons a whole lot easier. My mixing bowl also already has the cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice that's required here, along with the butter. And if you're wondering about measurements, I will post the recipe here in just a little bit and you can cook along. So I've got this yummy concoction already in, and we're going to add some chunked up sweet potatoes. So you'll see that the recipe calls for them peeled. I leave the peels on because those are a great source of fiber and helps in our diet. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna pour all of those sweet potatoes into the bowl and give it a good toss. If you're used to doing your sweet potatoes mashed with marshmallows for that sweetness, this is a great alternative. So we're just going to lightly coat all of that. We're not going to use all the marinade because we're going to use some of those on those pecans. We're going to throw them in the air fryer just to get them to go a little bit faster than our oven. But remember, we'll post the recipe and stay tuned. All right, so our sweet potatoes have been going for a little bit. We've taken those pecans, also a great source of your B vitamins. So thiamine, riboflavin, things like that. If you're looking for those, pecans are a great source. So we've taken those pecans, we've mixed it with the excess honey and oil and stuff. We're gonna add that to the air fryer and we're gonna keep cooking. Stay tuned and I'll show you what this looks like. All right, so the air fryer just went off. I'm gonna do a quick zoom in so that y'all can see what this looks like, and then we're going to enjoy some yummy sweet potatoes. Join us next week. We've got more pecan recipes for you all month long.